Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log in to Wells Fargo credit card. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Wells Fargo credit card login. Now, here we can see this website. Simply click on this one. And on the top right corner, we can see sign on over here. Simply click on this. Now enter your username. And enter the password. And after you are done, simply click on save username if you want to save this after you get back as well. And simply click on sign on. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option over here to reset it. After all of this, simply click on sign on to sign in to your Wells Fargo account. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.